Hi, Miss Paula! I wanna greet you. Happy birthday po. Wish ko for you, stay healthy, stay pretty, and sana po maging masaya po kayo everything. And wish ko rin po sana ay mahanap niyo na po yung the one that got away. Thank you! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best, and I hope that this year will bring so much joy and love, and I hope that whatever your heart desire, God will grant it. So happy birthday and God bless you. Thank you.
Hello, Pao. Happy birthday. Birthday mo ngayon, kaya kailangan maging masaya ka. Nandito kami para bumati sa'yo. Although physically hindi tayo magkasama ngayon, pero I hope na nagiging masaya yung araw mo, mag-blessan. Thank you nga pala sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa Pasko. From the time you started until now, nakita ko kung gaano ka naging masipag, very objective sa mga pakikipag-usap mo sa members, kahit na minsan mga kulit, mga members. At yung pagiging devoted mo sa PALSCON, medyo mahirap maghanap ng ganyang qualification, yeah. At nasa iyo yun. I'm very happy for you. Okay? Happy birthday.
From GD family, we would like to say a happy birthday, Miss Paula!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
God bless you more. Stay pretty.
Happy birthday, Pao. I'm so proud of what you have become, and I'm so happy na nakasama kita at anak ka dyan sa PALSCON. I only can wish you more happiness at saka can only wish you prosperity, more life, more laughter, and of course, sana may apo na ako coming soon. I love you, Pao, and thank you for everything that you've done for us. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pao. Wishing you all the best on your special day, and may the Lord bless you with more birthdays to come. Enjoy and take care. Happy birthday.
Hi, Miss Pao. Happy birthday. And I wish you a wonderful day filled with love, joy, and of course, good health. And may the good Lord bless and keep you. I hope you have a blast on your special day. And there, have a good one. Bye.
Hola, good morning. Happy birthday. Hindi na ako nakapag-send ng video message dahil lang busy-busy ng schedule ko. But then, sabi niya huliman at huli pa rin. Pero ngayon, record na lang ako ng video message for you. Stay healthy, stay sweet, and stay pretty, of course. And then, I hope makapag-work pa ulit tayo for next year. Wish ko lang, lagi lang naman ako nandito. Alam mo yan, alam niyo yan, ang buong secretariat ng PALSCON. I support you all, guys. Pero sa ngayon, hindi mo na ako makaka-attend sa birthday celebration mo. Saan ba? Sa Manila Hotel ba? Anyway, thank you and enjoy the day. And I know God loves you so much. Ang dami niya na binigay sa iyo, sa atin, lahat-lahat, at sa pamilya mo. And then, of course, magkakaroon pa yan ng more blessings. Thank you! See you soon sa Christmas party. Alam ko, pasabog ka na naman. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Paula. Happy birthday, Pao. I just want to say thank you for everything that you did for the 15th National Conference, and of course, for everything that you have extended to us sa PALSCON Region 4A. Maraming salamat talaga. You've been instrumental to the success of everything that I've done sa PALSCON. So, thank you, Pao. And I wish you nothing but the best, of course. I pray that your heart's desires, everything that you hope for, prayed for, worked for, matupad yon. Sana kasama din doon ang pagkakaroon ng jowa. Kasi life is sweeter kapag may jowa. Di ba, Nel? Anyway, thank you, Nel, then, for asking me for this video message, for giving me this opportunity to extend my birthday greetings to Pao. So, Pao, maraming salamat sa lahat. Sana na-surprise kita with this video. And I hope you'll enjoy your birthday. And I'll see you sa December 3 at tayo magpo-party na naman. TikTok tayo when we see each other. I love you and happy birthday once again. God bless you, Paula. Bye!
Miss Pao, happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays and of course good health and God bless you more. Birthday mo na naman, wala ka pa rin boyfriend. Ano ba nangyayari? Peace. Happy birthday.
Hi Pao, I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Always stay motivated and driven just as you are. Take care of yourself, especially your health, as I always remind you. Enjoy your special day with your family. God bless you always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pao. From the bottom of my heart, I'd like to thank you for being so helpful and supportive during my presidency in PALSCON. Alam mo, yung iyong lahat ng ginawa para sa akin at para suportahan ako made such a big difference in my term. I hope that you will have more birthdays to come. And of course, I'll stand with you in prayer that God would soon bring that handsome oppa into your life. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Pao. May you have more birthdays to come at magbago ka na at magpakabait ka na. Sana naman ay nagbago ka na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pao. Ano bang birthday wish ko para sa'yo? Good health, happiness, and love life. I hope that you stay as sweet as you are. You're very thoughtful. You're always helpful. And for the many things you do in the organization, in PALSCON, we are grateful. Thank you very much. Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Today, we join in celebrating a truly wonderful person, Miss Paula Narciso. From all of us here at Mugshots Digital Media TV, we'd like to wish you a very happy birthday. May your day be filled with joy, laughter, and the company of people who appreciate you just as much as we do. Your positive energy and professionalism always brighten our day. Here's to more success, happiness, and bright moments ahead. Happy birthday once again, Paula, from your friends at Mugshots Digital Media TV.
Hi Paula Narciso, happy birthday to you. Ang regalo ko sa iyo ito isang puno na magiging bahagi ng 1 Million Tree Project na itatanim namin dito sa Barangay Masipit, Calapan City, Oriental, Mindoro. Itong regalo ko sa iyo, mamarkahan ko to. Pag gusto mong pumunta dito sa Mindoro, maituturo sa iyo to ng barangay. Ma'am, lika sama dito ayan, ituturo namin sa iyo itong punong ito. Ito ma'am ay puno ni Chairman. Lika Chairman. Kasama natin si Chairman kasi itong mga punong ito ay tinatanim namin. Ang isang puno, ang pangalan nito ay Paula. Paula Narciso, happy birthday to you. Para sa iyo to. Okay? Tuturo ko sa iyo. Pipicturean ko sa iyo para pwede mong balikan dito sa Mindoro, sa Calapan City at hanapin mo si Chairman, si Kagawad at sila mag-aalaga nito para sa atin at para kay Inang Kalikasan. So my gift to you is our gift to the Mother Earth.
Happy birthday, Miss Paula Narciso. You are the one that keeps PulseCon doing all the work every day. If PulseCon were a country, Mr. Arman Gutierrez is the head of the state and you are the head of the government. So I greet you and bless you and wish you all the best on your birthday.
To our dearest Miss Paula Narciso of PulseCon, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to greet you a happy birthday, and may God bless you always. Good health, good luck, and more power to you, and may you enjoy this special day of yours. Thank you very much also for all the love and support through the years, and especially the friendship through the years. At dahil sa mga kaibigan katulad mo, marami tayong natutulungan ng mga Pilipino. I see a very dedicated and hardworking person in you, and keep up the good work, and may God bless you always. Abisala Eshma.
Happy birthday, Miss Paula. Yan, another year ulit. So, I'm wishing you happiness, success, and endless joy. So, thank you, and sa support, of course, ng PulseCon. Maraming salamat ulit. And happy birthday!
Hi, Tita Paula. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and a long life. God bless you and your family, and I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Paula Narciso. May you have many more. Bye!
Hi, this is Waki Kiray. Binabati ko po ng happy birthday. Walang iba kundi si Paula Narciso. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Happiness in your life. God bless you. Enjoy your birthday. Stay healthy and bless every day. God bless you. Enjoy your birthday, madam.
Kay Paula Narciso, happy birthday. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming happy birthday na darating sa buhay mo. And wish you a good health, happiness, and long life. Paula, yung mahabang buhay. Yung gunaw ng mundo, buhay ka pa. Happy birthday.
Hi, this is Rayjan Villarreal from Tawag ng Tanghalan Season 7 Grand Champion. And gusto ko lamang pong patiin ang manager na si Miss Paula ng happy birthday. Ayan, Miss Paula, happy birthday po. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. And galingan niyo po sa work. Ayan. See you po!
Hi, Ate Pao. I just want to greet you happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your birthday and wish you happiness because you deserve it, Ate Pao. Ikaw yung tipo taong matulungin, mabait, hindi lang sa pamo, pati na rin sa ibang tao. You have a good heart, Ate. So you, happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day.
Is that only prove? And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments.
Happy birthday to our dearest Paula. One of the things that I really love about Paula, my friend Paula, is that he is a person you can really depend on. You know, she's a very reliable person, and and she's reliable in all aspect of her life. As a daughter, as a friend, even as an employee, Paula is a person who can really deliver. So she's really good that way. And I love you, Paula, and you know that I celebrate you as a person. And you know that I'm always rooting for you, and I am happy for all of your success. At alam ko, pag pinag-uusapan ng success, yung success mo is being a responsible daughter, being a loving sister, being an amazing friend, and a beautiful person. Yan yung success mo. And I know that greater things are ahead of you, and the best is yet to come. So may the Lord bless you, and may He bless you in ways unimaginable, and may He satisfy the desires of your heart. And so Paula, I happy birthday and enjoy your day. And I just want to say that take care of yourself, and remember to take a rest and enjoy the present moment. And also don't waver in believing on the things that you are waiting on God. So keep reaching your dreams. Know that I believe in you and I love you, and I'm always here for you. And I miss you, and happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, best friend. I'm so grateful for every memory we've shared together and every moment you've been there for me. May your day be filled with love, joy, and everything your heart desires, including your love life, of course. Kidding aside, you truly deserve the best, best friend. I love you. See you. Bye.
Hi! Hi Ate Pao, happy birthday! My super loving and caring ate, happy birthday! May God bless you even more, and I hope you enjoy your day. Seize the moment! Mwah!
Hi, it's Angel, Manang Paula's cousin. I just want to say happy birthday to you, to our most beautiful, hardworking, flawless cousin I ever known. I hope you have a great day and always take care of the Philippines, even though I'm here in Hawaii.
Hi Paula, I just want to say happy birthday. More birthday to come and more blessings. God bless.
Happiest birthday to my prettiest Ate Paula. Well, despite all the challenges that you face in your life, I'm really happy that you chose to stay kind. And what I admire most about you talaga is your being smart, hardworking, being a career woman, and a strong, independent woman. And that's one of the main reasons that I look up to you as my role model. And you know, when I was a kid, si ate yung siya yung first person that I would say na I want to become like, or I want to become like her. And of course, because I watch her become the ate that I know everyone would want to have. And for all of that, I am so proud of you, Ate Pao. And Ate, for your birthday, you know, I really wish you another prosperous year and more years for more blessings and more birthdays to come, and also good health for you and for your loved ones. I hope lahat ng dreams mo, lahat ng goals mo sa buhay matupad, and that God will bless you even more than you are today. And again, happy birthday to you, Ate. I love you. See you soon.
Hello, Tipaw. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung araw mo. Wala invite. Kala ko, happy birthday, Tipaw. I love you.
Hi, Ate Paula. Happy birthday sa pinakamabait naming ate. Ayan, continue mo lang yung pagiging mabait mo, tsaka mapagmahal mo sa pamilya mo, tapos yung pagiging maganda at sexy natin, ate. Alam mo yan. Happy birthday, tita. I love you, tita.
Hi Paula, sorry for the late delay. Just want to greet you happy birthday with many more blessings to you, and always take care of yourself. Ha? Okay, bye.
Paula, happy birthday! Ituloy mo lang yung pagmamahal mo sa mama mo, tsaka sa mga kapatid mo, at sana lagi kang nasa mabuti. Happy birthday, Paula!
Happy birthday, Paula!
Birthday!
Birthday, Paula.
Happy birthday, Paula. Mabait, matalino, at napakaganda kong pamangkin. I'm so proud of you. May these years bring you happiness, more adventures, at sana makahanap ka na ng tunay na partner na totoong magmamahal sa'yo. Keep shining. You're truly one of a kind. Again, maligayang kaarawan. Uncle Ed.
Hi, it's November 16. Happy birthday, Iha. Today we celebrate not just your special day, but the beautiful person you are. You've always been someone who gives your heart generously, whether through your kindness, your patience, or the quiet strength you show every day. One of the things we admire most about you is how deeply you value your family. You honor your parents with your respect, your obedience, and your genuine gratitude for everything they have done. You never hesitate to show care, and you always put them at the center of your decisions. That is a rare and beautiful trait. Your love for your family shines in the way you support them, listen to them, and stand by them. You have a gentle spirit, a warm heart, and a character that brings comfort and joy to everyone around you. On your birthday, we want you to know how much we appreciate your goodness, your humility, your thoughtfulness, and your willingness to make sacrifices for the people you love. You inspire us with your dedication, and your parents are truly blessed to have a daughter like you. May this year bring you happiness, peace, and all the blessings you truly deserve. Continue to shine, continue to love, and continue being the wonderful person you are. Happy birthday, Paula. We celebrate you today and always. Bye-bye!
Hi Paula! Happy birthday sa maganda at sexy kong pamangkin. Ano pa nga ba ang i-wish ko sa'yo? Lahat ng wishes ay nasa iyo na. So anyways, dadagdagan ko na lang yung wish na yan. Na sana ay magbiro ang tadhana at makita mo na si Mr. Right. Na yung love of your life na maglalagay ng icing sa cupcake mo. Anyways, si Paula ay isang mabait at maalalahaning pamangkin. Naalala ko, nung maliit pa siya, lagi namin siyang tinatakas ng aking asawa at kung saan kami nagagala. Napakagandang bata at napakaganda ng kanyang mata. Nai-in-love ako sa kanyang mata. Sana nga napaglihian ko siya. So anyways, happy birthday Paula. I love you and wish you more birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Paula. First of all, I want to say I'm proud of the woman you've become. Independent, strong, committed to family, thoughtful. You've accomplished so much already, yet I know that the best is still ahead of you. My wish for you is that may this year brings more joy, growth, and opportunities to chase your dream. And sana, in God's perfect time, may you find a man who would love you and cherish you for who you are. Enjoy your special day.
Hey yo, mabuhay! My name is Anthony, and I want to say happy birthday my sister, Maria Paula Narciso.
Hi Ate Paula, happy birthday! Wish ko sa birthday mo is long life, good health, and sana makilala mo na yung taong magmamahal sa'yo ng forever. And kukunin ko na itong opportunity na magpasalamat sa'yo sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin. Lalo na yung nag-aaral ako. Kayo din nila mama ang tumulong sa akin para makapagtapos ako. And sana maging happy ka. Thank you. Bye. And I love you so much. Miss na miss ko na kayo. Paula, happy birthday. Sa iyong karawan, ng hiling ko is good health, long life, at sana mahanap mo na yung lalaki na para sa'yo. And I miss you so much. And I love you, love you.
Happy birthday, anak! Mahal na mahal kita. Maraming salamat sa mga tulong mo sa amin ng mga kapatid mo. I love you, anak. Sana matagpuan mo na ang iyong hinangad.